Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Imperishable Brahman, Chapter 8, Shloka 16 and 17. Worlds up to the world of Brahmaji are subject to rebirth, O Arjuna. But he who reaches me, O Kaunteya, has no rebirth.
Chapter 8, Shloka 16. Brahma bhuvanal lokaha punaravartinorjuna mam ubetyatu kaunteya punarjanmana vidyate. Chapter 8.
Those people who know the length of the day of Brahma, which ends in 1,000 yugas, aeons, and the night which also ends in 1,000 yugas, aeons, they know day and night.
Chapter 8, Shloka 17. Sahasra yuga paryantam aharyat brahmano viduho ratrim yuga sakasrantam teho ratra vidho janaha.
Chapter 8, Shloka 16 and 17. Those who reach the highest are not born again. But what about them who do not reach the highest? In contrast to those who realize directly and totally the self, there are others who through karma accompanied by meditation reach the realm of the Creator, Brahmalok, where they at the time of the Kalpa merge with the Supreme after completing the remaining contemplation upon the self by ending all identification with ignorance. Others who couldn't reach the Brahma Loka come back and take other manifestations to exhaust their remaining vasanas. Shloka 17. Time and space measurement depends upon individual factors. When we are at ease, like playing cards, time flies. But when disturbed, like in pain, time hangs heavily and doesn't seem to move. Time is measured as the interval between two different experiences. The greater the number of experiences, the slower the time moves, and when the same experience continues, time moves fast. There is an ascending scale of joy experienced in different realms of consciousness because of the relative mental equipoise and tranquility at those different levels of existence. The Creator's daytime and nighttime is each 1,000 cycles long. In terms of our 365-day years, One daytime of the Creator is 4,359 crore years. As we can only do any creative work during awake, the cosmic Creator is also conceived as creating the gross world of dense objects and intelligent beings only during his waking hours. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.